Hello guys, Brick Armor here with a new gun, and this time around I've built an E-11, or I should say Brick Armory E-11. This gun is pretty popular in the Star Wars universe. Almost every stormtrooper carries one, and it's pretty famous due to its movies and games. The gun is based off of the Sterling, so is this one. So if you see my other video, I've made a Sterling before this. So this thing is really based off of the Sterling, just like the movie prop. I made the counter, the Hengstler counter, and the E-38 tank scope. The capacitors or batteries are on the mag well as well. The magazine has been shortened because now it fires lasers. It doesn't fire 9mm anymore. So yeah, you don't need a big mag, I guess. The gun still features the folding stock, a removable magazine, working charging handle, working trigger, working safety, because it's based off of the Sterling. So it still has all the features. On the barrel there, you got some fins or cooling blades or whatever, just like in the movies. I'll show you a close-up to the counter and the E-38 scope. So that's about it, guys. Don't forget to leave a comment, rate and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. And if you have any questions, just ask them. I'll probably answer. See you guys later. Bye.